What's up, guys? Today is January 16th, Thursday. I want to go over some plays today on the quantum sector, QUBT, RGTI, IONOQ, what else? QBTS. They've all been bouncing the last couple days. Um, Going into today, I thought we were gonna sell off. So I kind of want to be patient on all of them and see if I could get them on a bounce. And yeah, pretty much near the market open, they started tanking, and they pretty much all sold off at open, and then they all bounced. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to get in on a pop near pre-market support. QUBT couldn't really make it back up to 13s. Try to push 1270s, rejected. So I got in on the fail bounce, pushed up here, 1270s. It was hovering about around VWAP. I shorted 1,000 shares instantly. I thought we were gonna sell off, and went sideways for a little bit. And then once we got this little flush under 12, I thought we were gonna start unwinding. Started going sideways, dipping, and then into this dump. I took off half here at 1075. I was pretty much eyeing yesterday's support levels right here, 1060. So I took some off right here, 1075. And I just wanted to be patient with the rest of my shares. I thought 11 was going to be a key level, so I set a stop at 11. I wanted to lock in my profit, and pretty much when it popped, stopped me out, and I traded all of them the same. RGTI starts small here, 1080s, uh, popped a little bit higher, added more here, 1030s, and yeah, pretty much same thing into pre-market support, rejected, and yeah, pretty much covered here. Once QUBT was reclaiming 11, I stopped out all my positions. I also got RGTI, same thing. Uh, QBTS, same thing. They all popped into the pre-market support, failed, and I think they're all following QUBT. So I stopped out. I got back in for RGTI later in the day, near 1040s, and that's because QBT has been having trouble reclaiming VWAP. So I got in 1035, somewhere around here when it was having trouble pushing. I saw that it was weak. I went short RGTI because I still feel like it still has room to unwind. It's up from $6, almost 100%. I still think it's got room to unwind. QUBT already gave me like a dollar share, $1.50. So I still think RGTI could give me maybe 950s or low nines. But I'm just eyeing QBT. If we start taking low a day, 1030, I think RGTI will follow. And this is the P&L for the day. QBT 1300, QBTS 74, RGTI 33, and then I traded two other tickers, PHIO and DATS. And this is how I traded those tickers, PHIO. Started running early in the morning. I wasn't really paying attention to it until one of my buddies called this out. I went short here at 414s. Went up to 450. didn't want to add it up here. I wanted to give it some wiggle room before I actually start adding. Comes back down to fours, take it all off. And pretty much dumps under VWAP. And I'm thinking, well, I wouldn't mind getting back in maybe near high a day. So I set an order out to short 430s, short into the push to 430s, filled, and rejects high a day, and pretty much instantly starts dipping. I take some off at 4 as it previously held 4 and VWAP. And then my buddy says that they they sent out an offering, so that's why stock halts, and I cover in before the halt. I cover here at 350, unhalts, and um, three sit, breaks three 280s. I was already out. Um, nice little trade. Didn't get to size in, and another one DATS. Same thing. Starts popping up in the morning. Um, no, I don't have my arrows. I took a loss on this. I started a little early. I think I got in like somewhere here, 613s into this push. And I think I might have stopped out somewhere here. And I think I hit it one more time. Small. Somewhere in here, I think. And I just covered. Small loss on it. It's okay. And then later on, it just unwinds after it just couldn't really push. But yeah, decent day. 1500 on the day. Um, I wish I would have hit the quantum tickers a little bit harder. I felt like they offered really good opportunities. I'm still short RGTI, like 11.4. Stop at a high a day. Thinking near the end of the day, this QBT starts to unwind, takes out this 1080, ends near lows. This is gonna follow, and I think maybe tomorrow we do have a continuation down to the downside. Maybe see low nines would be nice. And yeah, that's pretty much how I traded my tickers today. I'll see you guys soon.